Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy noodles at home. First, choose your favorite pasta shape, like fettuccine or penne, for the best texture. Cook your pasta al dente according to package directions, but remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. This water is absolutely crucial for achieving that perfect, silky sauce consistency later on. Now, let's build that incredible creamy sauce. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil over medium heat. Sauté minced garlic and shallots until fragrant, about 1 minute. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of white wine or vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits. Then, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream or a plant-based alternative, bringing it to a gentle simmer. It's time to bring everything together for that perfect creamy finish. Add your cooked pasta directly into the simmering sauce in the skillet. Gradually incorporate the reserved pasta water, a few tablespoons at a time, stirring constantly until you reach your desired creamy consistency. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese or nutritional yeast for an extra layer of savory deliciousness. To truly make this dish your own, feel free to customize. Stir in fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil for a burst of freshness. You can also add cooked proteins such as chicken, shrimp, or sautéed mushrooms to make it a complete meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home sparkling clean while you enjoy your delicious creamy noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.